Good morning, friends. Hi, I'm Miss Stephanie, and I'm here with the awesome Miss Sharon.
Hi.
And we're going to do some science today. We're going to talk about some stuff. So hopefully these are things that you might have around your house if you want to try to do it at home. But first, we have some raisins right here. If you've got some yummy raisins, they work really good. We're going to do a science experiment that makes these funny raisins dance. Who doesn't like dancing raisins, right? There you go.
All right.
And then you can take Sprite, 7-Up, Club Soda, anything that's carbonated, preferably clear, so you can see the raisins dance should work, okay? And then we're gonna take a clear cup to do it in. So first, we're gonna pour the Sprite into the cup. The Sprite, 7-Up, Club Soda, anything, and we're gonna watch what's gonna happen, okay? We see bubbles. There's bubbles. Now we're gonna take some raisins and we're gonna pour them in. And what do you think first? Before we pour them in, do you think they're gonna sink or do you think they're gonna float? What do you think, friends? Do you think they're gonna sink, meaning they're gonna go all the way down to the bottom, or do you think they'll float on top? I don't know. Let's see. Let's see what's gonna happen.
Should we do one at a time? Should we count?
Yes.
All right, let's see.
I love that.
Or should we guess how many's in my hand first? Estimate, right? What do you think?
I think there's 60. Oh, that's such a big number.
I think there might be 20. I don't know. All right, you ready? You gonna count?
Sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Can you see what's happening? Some of my raisins, they all went down to the bottom, but some of them are starting to float on top. So these bubbles, what those bubbles are, they're called carbon dioxide. Can you say carbon dioxide? And if you ever wear floaties on your arms when you have to go swimming, how it keeps you above, those little bubbles are just like floaties. So they're taking the raisins and they're taking them to the surface, and those bubbles are popping, and that's why you see them start dropping. So some of them are going to the top, and then when those carbon dioxide bubbles pop, you'll see them drop back down.
That's amazing, Miss Stephanie.
That is amazing. Don't you see how fun? So throughout, it'll take a couple minutes, and then all the bubbles will eventually pop. But you can take your raisins, and you see that the raisins have bubbles all on them, and those bubbles are trying to lift them to the surface. And then once they hit the surface, what happens again? They pop. Those carbon dioxide bubbles hit the air and it makes them pop. Isn't that fun, friends? So why don't you go home and make your raisins dance too? Have a great day.
Boop, 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 boop. That's it.